My dear children, this is the fourth module of today's session, writing onto files. After read operation, let us take an example of how to write data in disk file. Python provides two functions, write and write lines. The above functions are called by file handle to write desired content into a file. Write a string, that is str1 to file referenced by file handle, and file handle dot write lines of L. Writes all strings in list L as lines to file referenced by file handle. That is writing as lines, not as characters, only through line by line writing happens. Look at the first example I had given. My file. I had opened the file student.txt with the extension mode W. That means it is used for writing. Then I used for loop. Range of 3 means 0, 1, 2. So 0th time, first time, second time. So 3 times it will execute the loop. Name we are getting from the user and we are trying to write that name. Then after each name I am writing a new line also. Then I closed the file. So data saved successfully. It print like data saved successfully. After execution of this program, you just open the student.txt in your computer. That will be in the same folder of where you stored .py file. That is, it is in the same folder of Python. The next one, using W mode. That is already I discussed. Write using W mode. Let us run the same program again. Again you will get another set of names. That means the file will delete the content of already existing. Then it will rewrite, overwrite the values again while you are trying with the new names. Look at this, Ravi, Dinesh and Suresh. So the content will be changed. Now we can observe that while writing data to a file using W mode, the previous content of the existing file will be overwritten. That means the existing file content will be removed or overwritten and new content will be saved. If you want to add new data without overwriting previous content, then we should use what mode? A, that is append mode. Then only it will append to the existing content. Look at the example I had given. Ravi, Dinesh, Suresh. I had changed only the portion where I used W. My file equal open. Within that I used W in the previous example. But in this I used A. That is append mode. So the Amir, Shahrukh and Salman will be appended. That is, the new content is added to the previous content. Then the example for write lines. Enter employee name and I am creating a mylist.append. So in the list I am getting a list of names. So enter employee name, that will be the, and it will automatically append into my list. That list is considered to be what? A line. Then I trying to write my lines using write line of. The same thing happens here. Here I used Aman, Naman and Chaman.